Presenting the JuanaPack, our state-of-the-art turnkey automated packaging system designed to package pre-rolls into tubes and trays. This innovative system combines efficiency, precision, and reliability, making it the ideal choice for businesses looking to streamline their pre-roll packaging process. The JuanaPack is engineered to meet the demands of the industry. Its design ensures that pre-rolls are packaged seamlessly, maintaining the integrity and quality of the product. Key features include automated precision. The system employs cutting-edge technology to guarantee precise placement of pre-rolls, reducing human error and enhancing operational efficiency. High throughput. JuanaPack is capable of handling large volumes of pre-rolls, making it suitable for both small-scale and large-scale production environments. User-friendly operation. The intuitive interface allows operators to easily control and monitor the packaging process, ensuring smooth and hassle-free operation. Durability and reliability. Built with only the highest quality materials, JuanaPack is designed to withstand the rigors of continuous operation, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Compact design. The system's compact footprint makes it easy to integrate into existing production lines without requiring extensive modifications. Customizable options. We offer various customization options to tailor the JuanaPack to specific business needs, ensuring optimal performance and adaptability. Modularity. Integrate the JuanaPack with any automatic or semi-automatic pre-roll machine. The JuanaPack is not just a packaging system. It is a strategic investment in the future of automated packaging. As the industry continues to evolve, we remain committed to delivering innovative solutions that drive success and growth. Experience the difference with JuanaPack.